Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to turn off or hide last scene in WhatsApp. So disable my last scene. On top right you see three dots. So click on it and then you see setting. So click on setting option. So we are in setting and then you see privacy. So click on it. So we are in privacy section. Now you see who can see my personal info, last seen and online. Now you see everyone. So click on it. And then you see last seen and online. Who can see my last seen? Everyone, my contact, nobody. So we are going to hide it. Now select nobody. And then you see who can see when I am online. If you want, you can select this option. Same as last seen. Also read this message. So in this way you can hide or disable your last scene in WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.